Hi, buddies. It's me, Titi. Today we are going to make popcorn balls. Popcorn balls are so much fun. It's almost like a Rice Krispie treat made out of popcorn. Before we begin today, remember that Titi wants you to be extra safe. So make sure you always have a grown-up there with you in the kitchen to help out. Place a large pan on your stove to preheat over medium. Take 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and add it to the pot to melt. Melted butter. Smells amazing already. Once your butter started to melt, take 10 ounces of mini marshmallows and place them into your pot. Keep stirring continuously until the marshmallows melt. It shouldn't take too long. Looks good. Turn off the stove and take your pan off the heat. Give it a couple of stirs to make sure the marshmallows don't clump up together. It's time to add our popcorn. For this part, you'll need 7 cups of pre-popped popcorn. I find that plain is best, but if it has a little bit of salt and butter on it already, that's no problem. Pour your popcorn into your pot. Now stir the pot to make sure the popcorn gets evenly coated with marshmallows. Once you can see that all the popcorn kernels are nicely coated with marshmallow, then you can stop stirring. Now let's let this mixture cool for just a couple of minutes or until it's cool enough that you can touch it with your hands so that we can mold it into ball shapes. But before sticking my hands into it, you definitely want to take some butter and rub it over your hands to grease it up. It doesn't take very much butter, but you just want a little bit so that your hands don't get stuck to the marshmallows. Now reach into your bowl and pull out a ball of popcorn that's about the size of your fist and simply roll it into a ball as if you were molding clay. Now keep going with the rest of the popcorn, being sure to add more butter to your hands if you need it. This texture is so fun. It's sticky and you can play with the stretchy marshmallows almost like you are playing with slime. Look at that, it almost looks like melted cheese. All done. And now for my favorite part of the day, tasting our delicious recipe. That's extra good. It really reminds me of a Rice Krispie treat that's made out of popcorn. The popcorn is crunchy and the marshmallows are soft and sweet and gooey. Check this out. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast making these popcorn balls, and I hope you will too. I'll see you again soon, and happy creating!